attention TV mema obi bia akwama Stoneboy de ne nwom foforo abaye o se nanwe ena ekofa boy ono ani jejereje ene ya enua be ma Shatta Wale ono nso aba abonten abekeka bi akire politicians na amugu kuro nu ma so mo de amompe ekuro nu nkoso no na amaje sa mu de galamse ebe sese yen saase ene ye ndwuma no eno ena wabaye hu video na ansa na no odikan ekirechire mu se oman no ebeye ye eye mpenimfo na amo teso sesei no na oman no de eseye ache efri 19 kodwo ho twa na oman no eseye na asa mpenimfo ye amobaye no amo pese amobehwe ama oman no akoyie na ye youth na ye so ye sore akon atia oman no omo nso amo ne ye etwe ekoba ebusuafo we na Shatta Wale nini abre no ho gidigidi a chese waye video wa blast obia chese every music mu ebesi ekosi politicians for obia agigene de ebusuafo mo man yiti Shatta Wale bra
get hurt to come talk about certain things we want a problem. Me Shatta Wale, I will show you people how to solve problem. They know they solve problem with problem. Because when you want to go solve problem with problem, you will get problem. That's why years and years and years I tell people, say, watch my lifestyle. Like, watch me. I come this music industry inside. I don't even try this anybody. But you go feel hear somebody for radio top, then they insult me. If I come talk, say, the panel my channel, then people at the way he talks, also my
Vimbas.
because you know they understand life. You know they understand life. See, how me I go visit my house, then somebody won't find problem for me. Bro, you know the problems me to I get for a house. But you go visit radio and maybe I release song or something. Because of common interview where I no comment today, you go take them to heart, then you won't spoil me. So you won't talk to me anyhow. Ghana will for start to learn. That's our problem. We for start learn. We for just start quickly for the learn. Because if we don't learn, we go to cause problem for ourselves each and every day. Each and every day. See the kind of songs that they sing about. I'm not going to jail this year. This thing, do that. We did it. All people they sound like can you me out? Jimmy, because if Shatta is fighting for it, you guys don't support. You guys don't support. You feel like, Shatta, they fight. I fight for myself. Even me, where I can't fight for Ghana music. We right now, everybody, if you charge money. Even me, where I can change that perception. You are working. Your worth is your worth. They have to pay you your worth. People you did there, as I can do that. Your favorites, they enjoy them. And foolish fans, where they follow those your favorites too. You know, if you sit down and talk, Charlie, this guy, what is he talking about true? It's work. My nigga. Now, sending per kasa. The people want to take them like, yes, you want to, if you be your own, because of your agenda, because of your diabolic plans. You know, you get plan. Somebody go can gather you people. Say, make it go. The person, if you no fight, for fight, for start fight. People don't know what president. If you won't go, if you won't like vote for president, like even me, if you come back. Because if you me, we are going to change your life. Because I understand your mindsets. Can't get there, they will go pick paper. There's some idea. Some idea. Like people have some idea in your mind. If you know say you won't go fight government, prepare yourself. Because government they always prepare. So if you won't go fight government, to prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. You understand me? Don't come and because me as a day here, I know you know be you go country. Ghana I know good from 19 Nikwe Lion. You know good Ghana, I know good from things we face for this one. Countries me self from home before I become 10 musician. You know good. Nobody when I open they know they understand we. So if you fight your way through and prove them and prove a point, that is where then yes, we go to do something. Can't do that when they talk, they won't talk like it gets sense, bro. Me Ghana problem I see already, so I put them for aside. Where they solve my problem? Charlie, I go fit get money, give my fans some, give my friends around me some, establish people, build companies, do that. If that be what they do. Or if you say you alone Ghana hard for. Me say Ghana hard for me, papa. But they take plan and me fa drink, me yen yama, my because I know say yeah, me and my fans, yes, me and my fans know that if I say Shatta movement rise up for Ghana, go rise up. We and them, like we and them all go do. That be what I want to see. And Shatta movement, that be how we do. We know they go look for trouble. Unless my Shatta movement fans they rise up, they need to go rise up. Because I'm not gonna make nobody sit on any Shatta movement fan like that. If you video, they then create some hashtag, then come put for Twitter. Because if you say that the life is Twitter, life is street, life is street, you know the Twitter. Then some of you too go they put petrol and things. If they say make the go demonstration, you go there. Some of you go there online as if you be typewriters, robots, human beings. If they talk, then somebody want to talk something. All the things I said in the past is what is reflecting in the future right now. It's either you understand me, enjoy me, fight those fights, or don't call me in your nonsense fights. Because I don't want to go fight politician. I don't know. I know be Galamsey person. I know be Bank of Ghana person. I know. You know be me at the run the economy. You know be me at the buying celebrity. I know they there, bro. I find my path, me and my fans. That's why if I get money, I won't go street and share some for my fans. 'Cause I know, see my fans, you know, it'd be easy for them for this country inside. So I had to go places and yes, make something small, touch somebody hand. Because I don't know how to do them. Like if I get enough money, I go do ATM, Shatta movement ATM. Maybe you Shatta movement fan, you go there and go do rest of money every day. You go rest of 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana, take manage your life. People go there, they put your trust in politicians and some nonsense promises that they do for you. So you follow them and things. And when they start disappointing you, then you won't put your blame on somebody, bro. Maybe my father said he said he be politician. As I'm saying, how many times we are supporting for that? But man, if I know the benefit, my father says the politician no buy me house, but my mina can't buy my house, but my mina can't buy my car and things. My father no buy the car. You understand me? Some of you did they drive your father's car and things. So Jimmy and old dream. So Jimmy is any pair because I go school sama in school now with Jimmy. Yeah, papa talk yeah, papa oh yeah politician po. One to one talk man. Yeah, never talk car. Let's learn how to help each other. Let's learn how to unite. That's what I'm talking about. Don't come and be here and be talking and saying things anyhow and feel like you're speaking sense. Bro, you're not speaking sense. Like, oh, you speak gutter. Nigga, people they suffer for town. You understand me? People they suffer for town. Maybe you pay the suffer. When Shatta talk something, pay attention to him. When Shatta say something. When they come here where they can't joke with, they can't crack jokes, it be normal, it be different thing. But when it's a serious matter where they talk about, then you go see some foolish, educated fools. Then they won't show me how to talk. See, if they go check them, my bank account says zero.
Any video na wo hwe wo hu se na Shatta ni abre ne chese obi kra ebe no kro betimi ede nsa abona no so ai ene Shatta de ye ni na ye nim ne fireman o se wo de odi na tema ono ondi watemu ba wo ba na obe ya ade na enya eno na okoke bi pe na se hey Shatta nye wo na Shatta nye wo na ebusuafo ye ni na ye nim se Shatta wale die oye ni papa e se ya ye hu ni videos bi e trend e wo street no so ai wo hu kra sa wo twem match so timi chewska o so man ni mu ede o hwese na nkrofo efa ahohiahia mu dia enya ade obehwe ama obi ho a kra aha eye attention tv midi di Fatima makram.